Hello friends, welcome to Student Corner. Today we will have a notes on water resources. 75% of Earth's surface is covered with water. 97.5% of total volume is ocean water. Water scarcity means shortage of water. Reasons for water scarcity are uneven distribution of rainfall, excessive use of groundwater, and growing population demands increasing number of industries. Need for water conservation. To prevent drought, famine, and epidemics, to reduce overexploitation and mismanagement of water resources. Multi-purpose river projects. Dams. A dam is a structure built across a river or water course to hold water, creating a reservoir. Bakra Nangal project on Sutlej Beach River Basin and Hirakud project in the Mahanadi Basin. Advantages and disadvantages of dams. Advantages: irrigation, hydroelectricity for our industries and homes, water supply for drinking and flood control, pisciculture, fish breeding, soil conservation. Disadvantages: can induce earthquakes, it can cause waterborne diseases, unsuccessful in controlling floods, and displaces local people and submerges existing vegetation and soil. Rainwater harvesting. The harvesting of rainwater simply involves the collecting the water from the surface on which the rain falls and subsequently saving this water for later use. Main objective: to meet the increasing demands of water, support growing demands for water for irrigation and domestic use, promoting sustainable water management practices to reduce groundwater pollution and improve the quality of groundwater, conserving and recharging groundwater. Methods of rainwater harvesting. Gulls and cools. In mountain areas of western Himalayas, rainwater is collected and saved for agriculture. Tankas. In arid and semi-arid areas of Rajasthan, groundwater tanks for storing rainwater harvested from rooftops for drinking purpose. Gardens and jahats. In Jaisalmer and Rajasthan, agriculture fields were converted into rain-fed storage structures. Bamboo drip irrigation system in Meghalaya. A system of tapping streams and spring water using bamboo pipes has been used for over 200 years to transport water. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. It is compulsory in Tamil Nadu for all houses. If not implemented, punishment will be given. In rooftop harvesting, the roof acts as the catchment and the rainwater is collected from the roof of the house or building. It can either be stored in a tank or diverted to an artificial reservoir system. The steps are: rainwater from rooftops is collected using pipes. Pipes are connected to underground tanks. Rocks and sand in the tanks will filter the rainwater. Clean water is then available for drinking purpose. Important dam. Sardar Sarovar Dam is constructed on river Narmada. Thank you. I hope this video is useful to you. Please share and subscribe my channel.